Welcome back everyone to this tutorial. Like I told us earlier, that because of the service, that is why the photo peel application is fluctuating. Now we are going to mock up the logo again. Now let's follow the the simple steps. Now go to file, click on open to open our mockup. I told you the first file you choose is your mockup. Now let's go to download. That is where it is. When I go to download, I'm going to search for mockup. Then I'll search. I'll click on it. I'm going to be sending this file alongside the videos I told you earlier on. Now it will load. The file is going to load. The mockup file is going to load. So let us just chill for it to load. Let us chill for it to load. So just wait for it to load. It's still loading though. It's still loading. So since it has come up, let's click on layer. On layer, we'll select smart objects, then open. So we are going to open it. After we have opened it, we click back on file, open and place to select our original logo that we have created with Pixel app. Now after we have selected it, go to recent or anywhere you can find your logo, the one you're designing Pixel app. So my own is located at recent because I just designed it. That is why it's located at recent. So let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. This is it. So I'll click on it. Then it has come up. So next thing is to adjust the size and the width and the placement. The X, I'll change it to 1200. I'll change the X to 1200. 1200. I'll change the Y to 1100. Then the W, which is the width, I'll change it to 150. Then after I've changed it, I'll come this layer 1, 2, 3, the one that is placed on top of each other. I'll click on it. Then the third one, I'll click on this third preview logo, the third one. After I've clicked on it, you wait for it. Now it is on top of the preview logo. Then click on delete. Now it has deleted it. Now click back on that 3 layer. So this is what we have. Next thing is to save our object. Now we are going to save it as smart object. Save in bracket smart object. Click on it. So you can see we have clicked on it. So you wait for it. I told you earlier on that when you click on anything in Photoshop, you wait for it. You don't need to double click or click again. Just leave it. It's going to load. So when it has saved, it will tell us smart object updated. Smart object updated. So let's wait for it. Because of the service. Let's just chill because of the service. So we need to save our smart object first. Let's give it time. So after it has saved as smart object, it will say smart object updated. So let's just wait for it. Now it has been saved as smart object. Now the next thing is to mock it up finally. Now we'll click on this more. These two things here. Let me show you. These two things here. Just click on what? Click on the first one. Click on this first one. The mockup. Click on this. Now I've clicked on the mockup. Now leave it to load. It will load and it will mock up. After you have click on it once, just once. So we are still waiting for it to mock up. We are waiting for it to mock up. We are waiting for it to mock up. So in order to operate this photo pill, both the application or using the website, you need a strong connection. You need a strong connection. You need a strong connection. So we are still waiting for it to mock up. So you now see when it has successfully mock up now, it will change. The background will change. The background will change from what we are having now. The background will change. Can you see? So this is what we call a mock-up logo. This is what we call a mock-up logo. Now that you have it like this, next thing is to save your work. Come to file again. You will see export as. Just before the print, you will see export as. Click on the export as. Now export as JPG, JPEG. Click on JPEG. Now when you click on JPEG, it will take you to where you are going to download your image. So let's follow up. It will take us to where we are going to download our image. I've clicked it. I've clicked it. So let's just wait for it. We don't need to double click again. Just have to wait for it. Just have to wait for it. Can you see? So this is what I'm saying. This is what I'm saying. That's no, this is not the format I want. I want JPEG. That's click on another format. I want JPEG. I want JPEG. Can you see? I want JPEG, so it has changed to JPEG. It's because I wrongly click on that, so that's why it brings the format. So any format you click and you don't want it, that means you can change it from this format. Just click on it and click on the format you want. Now I will click on save. So when I save, it will download. Can you see mockup.jpg? Now let's open it and see what you have done. Let's open it and see what you have done. Can you see? So this is your mockup what? This is your mockup logo. This is your mockup logo. Can you see? So this is the way mockup logo used to be. So this is the way mockup used to be. You can mock up anything. So thank you for this class. So I believe we all know how we can create a 2D logo, how we can change it to a 3D logo, and how we can successfully mock up the logo. Don't think because I wrote all these our services, you can just create that logo that I created before, Crown Tech, and go and mock it up. So it doesn't matter. So thank you.